She started off as studying voice and music, and then became a very serious dramatic artist. But she had vision. That made her a great director. If you don't have imagination and you don't have vision, you can't direct, and you can't create something. You'd only be one cog. And she had the vision to involve the French community who loved her. She had the vision to translate plays into Yiddish, but of course put on the Yiddish canon. And basically, when I went to the theater, she grew. I knew the theater was getting bigger and stronger by the seats that I would have to sleep on. So first it was a Volksschule bench in a school auditorium, and then the seats became cushier, and then the residency at the what is now, well, it was the Sadie Bronfman Center, which is now the Siegel Center. As the seats came more and more comfortable, I knew the theater was getting stronger and stronger. She became the mother, then the grandmother to hundreds of young people. And she was tied to her art. So the next question would be, how was she as a mother? So we know she was an artist, and she had to feed that soul. We as children didn't have milk and cookies when we came home from school. We didn't, dinner, I don't really remember meals, but there was a pot of either borscht or soup on the stove that she threw whatever she could into it, and then we would, I guess, have it when we came home from school. But that wasn't Dora. So Dora's gifts to her family and to her and to her extended family was herself. And it was a gift that till today I'm thankful for. It was quite an amazing childhood.